So let's talk to Chandan and Kunal. They both are ready. And hello.
Yes.
So what is the trade for the day? It's getting slightly sticky. I won't use the word gloomy, but it's getting sticky, Chandan, because for the first time we've gone below, or we're threatening to go below key levels. Will this buy the decline market now turn into sell the rise market? Chandan.
Good morning. Thanks for having me. So, yes, we have seen some profit booking in the market, but major trend of the index is positive. And I believe the market requires some time correction. That means consolidations. And I believe that 24,442 could act as an immediate support because that is working well from last couple of days. We have seen a consolidative move, and absence of buying was clearly visible at higher levels as market failed to hold beyond 25,000 marks. The Bank Nifty, which was outperforming, made a new lifetime high, but again seen a corrective move of 500 to 700 points from higher levels. So I believe that market might require some consolidative move and it requires a trigger. And I believe that upcoming RBI policy could give the momentum to the market. If I look at the most of the data setup that is giving the mixed set of cues. However, the only concern is that FI's long short ratio has gone lower, which indicates that FIs which were supporting the Indian market are now subdued or getting the mixed cues. So I think that might be reason that even after the mixed set of cues, the market is not witnessing the momentum. So I believe the market requires some consolidative move until it holds above 24,442. It can again attempt towards 25,000 marks. Looking at the Bank Nifty index, it surpassed the previous lifetime high of 56,098 but failed to hold at higher levels. But till it holds above 55,000, major trend could remain buy on decline. So in both indices, we will continue to be with buy on decline. And if we are looking for long-term perspective for monthly point of view, I believe market might see consolidative move for next 1 or 2 weeks, and then it may start the next leg of rally to extend the July in positive momentum.
Uh, Kunal, what is your sense? I mean, are we in for a decisive turn now? Because it's getting sticky, and Kunal, you're reaching that point 24,500, 24,600, 24,200, where you need to take a view which could be either long or short. I mean, are we at that bridge where if the bridge breaks, the markets could break down by 1,000 points?
Not really, Nikunj. Good morning. I think there are bits of plus and minuses for the markets when we look at the observation over the last couple of days, and especially I think what happened yesterday. So one on the index front, both the Bank Nifty and the Nifty. I think yesterday in terms of the candlestick pattern, that's not a an encouraging candlestick pattern because for Bank Nifty we are actually showing signs of a bearish engulfing pattern, and for the Nifty it's very similar, more of a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern. It indicates that there could be some bit of more pressure over the near term. What was interesting yesterday, Nikunj, was in that last 2 hours of the markets, the India VIX fell very sharply, and because of that, even after the Nifty, falling by 200 to 50 points, the put options in the last 2 hours halved in just the last 2 hours because of the way the India VIX fell off. So I think what we are now seeing when we add the VIX movement, the option movement, and the way the indices are trading into a range, we are just going through a grind. So it's more of a patience test which is happening for the index traders. I believe 24,500 should be a pivot for the Nifty over the near term, and we should just about try and consolidate. The only good part which we should probably see going forward, at least for the next 2-3 days for short-term traders, is that with the lowering of the VIX, you might not see a 300, 350 point kind of a move, range move for the index, what we saw in the last couple of days. So that range should narrow, and I think we should probably just about meander around the 24,500 mark for the Nifty.
Okay, let's look.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.